Have you ever wondered why some people stay vibrant and active well into old age while others struggle with declining health? What if small, simple changes could add years to your life and make those years more fulfilling? Stay with me until the end, because I'll reveal an often overlooked fitness strategy proven to boost longevity and health. Let's dive into the science. A 2018 study in Circulation found 5 key habits that can add 12 to 14 years to your life: eating a healthy diet, maintaining a healthy weight, not smoking, limiting alcohol, and exercising regularly. Among these, regular physical activity emerged as a cornerstone of health and longevity. The World Health Organization recommends just 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity each week. That's only 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. Exercise doesn't just add years, it enhances quality of life. Physical activity reduces the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. It improves mental health by lowering stress and anxiety and supports cognitive function. Aerobic exercises boost brain-derived neurotrophic factor (BDNF), a protein vital for brain health, while strength training combats sarcopenia, the age-related muscle loss that contributes to frailty. But it's not just about gym workouts. Everyday movement plays a crucial role. A 2020 study in the British Journal of Sports Medicine revealed that small bursts of physical activity, taking the stairs, cleaning, or walking, can reduce the risk of early death. Sitting for long periods increases mortality risk, even if you exercise regularly. This highlights the importance of non-exercise activity thermogenesis, or NEAT, calories burned during daily activities. Recovery and sleep are equally essential. Overtraining or skipping rest can lead to burnout and injuries, derailing your progress. Quality sleep is where your body repairs tissues, balances hormones, and strengthens memory. Adults should aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Poor sleep is linked to obesity, diabetes, and heart disease, according to sleep medicine reviews. Pairing consistent exercise with sufficient rest creates a powerful recipe for longevity. Here's the key takeaway I promised: consistency is the secret weapon. You don't need extreme workouts or rigid schedules, just move every day in a sustainable way. Small choices, like a walk after dinner or choosing the stairs, build momentum. Over time, that momentum transforms your health. What's one small change you can make today? Every step you take invests in a healthier, longer, more vibrant future. Let's start now, together.